Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to crochet the Alpine stitch. This is a really beautiful stitch. A lot of people use this stitch on blankets, sweaters, hats, cushions, basically anything you can think of. And this is how it looks like on the other side. Alright, let's get started. To begin the pattern, make a slip knot. And make a foundation chain in any odd number. I am making a chain of 29. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. To begin round 1, on the third chain from hook, that's 1, 2, 3, this one, place a double crochet, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Again, double crochet into the next chain. Double crochet, on this round, place a double crochet into every chain, and I'll meet you on the next round. To begin round 2, 1 chain and turn. On the first stitch, place a single crochet, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet into every stitch on this round, and I'll meet you on round 3. To begin round 3, 2 chains, 1, 2, and turn. On the first stitch, that's this one here, place a double crochet. The next stitch, this one, is a front post double crochet. So on this post, the second post, that's the first, this is the second post. Yarn over, insert behind the post like this, pull up a loop, make sure you pull the loop all the way up, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Basically, we just completed this stitch, and then on the next stitch, place a normal double crochet. On this stitch, front post double crochet, yarn over, insert behind the post, and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. On next stitch, double crochet, front post double crochet. Repeat this all around, and I'll meet you at the end of the round. At the end of round 3, I just complete a double crochet, front post double crochet, on the last stitch, place a double crochet. And this is how it looks like after round 3. The next round is an easy round. 1 chain and turn. On the first stitch, place a single crochet. Single crochet. On this round, place a single crochet into every stitch, and I'll meet you on the next round. To begin round 5, 2 chains, 1, 2, and turn. This round is similar to round 3. On the first post, we're going to place a front post double crochet. Round 3, we started with double crochet, then front post double crochet. So round 5 is the opposite of round 3. On the next stitch, this one, double crochet. Front post double crochet. Then double crochet. Front post double crochet. Double crochet. And repeat this all the way to the end, and I'll meet you at the end of the round. At the end of round 5, I have 3 stitches left. Basically, this one's complete. And then on the second last stitch, place a double crochet. On the very last stitch, a front post double crochet. And to begin the next round, 1 chain and turn. On this round, place a single crochet into every stitch. Round 6 is a repeat of round 3. From here, repeat round 3 to round 5 for as many times as needed for your project. And that's all for today. I hope you liked today's tutorial. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to support this channel, and to turn on the notification bell. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!